Hello everyone, my name is Hilary Chin. Thank you for coming and watching our YouTube channel. Today we just want to show you how to use XLOOKUP in Google Sheet. It's the same formula that you apply in Excel. So just assume that you are also watching Excel. It's the same. And here we want to show you this tool. This tool has replaced VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. With H or VLOOKUP, you have to start selecting and identifying and picking items from the left side of your table right up to the right side. So it was really complicated because until your data starts from the right side or from the left side, you are unable to pick data. But with HLOOKUP, you can do it haphazardly. You can, like, if you want to take it from the middle, you can take it from the middle. If you want to take it from the left, you can take it from the left. If you want to take it from the right, you can take it from the right. So let's just jump in and I show you. Okay, right now I'm using my Google Sheet. So right here you see that this is a table. You have segment, you have city, you have country, you have market, you have sales. So here now I've created some formulas here using XLOOKUP. So if I come here and I write the country here, is going to appear, I'm going to see the segment of the country, the city of the country, and the sales of that country. Okay, this is important when you're working with large data set. Just assume that this data had about 1 million or 10,000 of this data set. So this will be helping us to just pick it up and show you. And also just imagine that we're also working with some other kind of list where you have names of employee, their department, their salary. You can also use this to easily identify some of this data from your company's data set. So right here, if I come here and I write Germany, you see, and I click OK, you see automatically it tells me that the segment for Germany is home office, the city is Berlin, and the sales is $2,892.51. Let's come here and check. Right here we have Germany, you see. So the city is Berlin, as we have seen there. The segment is home office, and then the price is 2,892 here. If we come here also and we write Brazil, you see automatically it changes. You also have segment or home office, and the Toledo is the city, and then you have 22180. So if we come to Brazil here, you see you give us 22180. And if we come here again and we take France and we click OK, you see it changes. So it tells you the segment is corporate, which is the same. You see we have corporate here. It says the city is Paris. You have Paris here, and the sales is 186,959. So here, this is a very good tool to use in your company. It helps you to pick out data in a very fast way, and you can easily give back the information to management or to your general manager, wherever you're working for. So please just stay tuned. Let me show you how I created these formulas. So creating those formulas is very easy. All we need to do is go to this same sheet that we have. This one is blank. Just come here and you go under segment and you put equals to, and then you put XLOOKUP. When you start writing it, you see it comes up here and you click OK. So now here you are saying that anything that you put, the first thing you want to ask you is the lookup value. We want to be looking up the country here. So you click this cell, you reference this cell, is G4, you reference it and you put comma. And when you reference this cell, it says country. You want to be taking it from a particular range. So you come to the range here, this table country, and you click up here, the first cell, and you click Control Shift and down arrow. It selects all this range. You want to be picking this country from within this range, and you put comma. And then you want to be taking segment. Okay, so you go now within the segment. You want that each time you pick a country, it should select a segment and give you the segment of that country. So you also look for the table for segment, and you go there and you click up here, Control Shift and down arrow, and you also select that range, and you put comma, and then you and then you don't put comma please, and then you just close your bracket and you click enter. You see it gives you the first formula. So if you go here also and then you go to city, you do the same. You say equals to, and you start writing XLOOKUP. You select your XLOOKUP, and then you go again to country and say each time you click this country, you click, each time you write a country here, you want it to give you the city, and you click comma, and you want this country to be coming up from a range. You go again under your country, you click Control Shift and you take the down arrow, you select the range again, you put comma, and you want that each time you write a country, you want that the city, it should be picking city. Okay, so you go under the table column for city again and you take the range, you click up here and you take Control Shift and down arrow and it selects. Okay, and then you close your bracket and you put enter. So we have created a second formula. You go again to sales, you say equals to, you say XLOOKUP. Okay, you click and then you say you want to be clicking each country. Each time you click a country, it should give you the sale. Okay, and you put comma, and then you say that you want to be getting a range of country. You want to be getting it from this range. So you click the first cell and then you put Control Shift and down arrow, and then it selects it all, and you say comma, and then you say you want to be taking from a range of these sales. Each time you click a country, you want it to be picking from a range of these sales that matches. Okay, you come now under your sale again, you click the first cell and you Control Shift and down arrow, and then you close your bracket and you click enter. Okay, and there you go. So if I come in here and I write Italy and I click OK, you see automatically it says corporate, Prato is a city, and this is the sale. So this is Italy down here. Okay, the city is Prato. This is it there. We have the city here, Prato, and Italy is a country, market. So we do not look for the market, and then also sales here. To also show you how flexible this is, we can still come here and we write market. Okay, we write the market here, you see, and then we also color this cell here in green, you see. Great. And we also say okay, we said equals to, and we start putting our XLOOKUP. It shows up here, and we say okay. Each time we reference this country area, and it should be coming from this range of country. Control Shift, and you click, sorry, I think I've messed up there a little bit. Okay, we click country and then Control Shift down arrow, and then you click comma, and then you say okay, we want to be getting from the market. Now we go for the market and we click and we say Control Shift down arrow, it selects the market, and we say close our bracket and we click OK. You see it automatically gives us Europe, because Italy is the market of Italy's market is Europe, so we have it here, you see. So if I come here now and I hover with my mouse, and I can copy these formulas in other cells. Okay, I can just copy them in other cells. This is how we copy formulas to make your work easy and fast. Okay, to make your work easy and fast. So if I come here now and I write maybe France, okay, you see automatically it gives me the segment, it gives me the city, it gives me the sales, it gives me the market. Okay, if I come here again and I write America, you see, sorry, I'll spell it wrong. Make sure you spell it rightly. Okay, if you miss any one word, it will not give you the set result. You see, so America is right here. It gives me consumer is the segment, Arlington is the city, and then the price is 1262. We have here 1260.62, and the USCA is the market. So this is how we use XLOOKUP. It's very flexible, it's very powerful, it's very easy to use. Please stay tuned and let's move forward as we learn Excel. Please do well to subscribe, do well to share with others to learn.